Before we dive in, subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to run your remote business. You've asked this common question. What are the disadvantages of an LLC? An LLC is the least complex business structure that has many advantages, but it's not for everyone. The downside to LLCs are startup costs. They're more expensive to operate than a sole proprietorship, but if you want that asset protection, the cost will be worth it. Next is banking. If you have checks made to your LLC, you cannot cash it out. Basically, it stays in your business bank account versus your personal bank account. Also, you must keep your records separate. On that note, you must keep your personal and business records separate. Don't commingle. Yes, it's time-consuming to separate them, but it's not worth losing your protection. Taxation. If your LLC is taxed as a pass-through entity, the individual owners will need to pay taxes on their share of profit and loss. This may cause a cash flow burden on you. Maintenance costs. Normally, an LLC will need to pay an annual fee to maintain the company's status. This will increase the cost of having an LLC. Is an LLC the right option for you? Learn more.